All right, guys. One of the additional principles that I like to apply, however, you're going to need a training partner. Luckily, I've got Dr. Caleb Reddin right here, who's got to give me a spot. One of those principles are called negative repetition. So you will be stronger on the negative portion of a movement as you will be on the concentric or the positive part on the exercise. So the idea is that you will overload the muscle with a heavier weight. Your training partner will lift that exercise for you, but you will lower it. Again, it's just another adaptation of an advanced movement that will take your muscles out of its usual comfort zone and make them uncomfortable so you can break the plateau and grow. Okay, sir. All right, I'll lower it down. Work. Yeah, good. Yep. Squeeze. Oh, okay.